It's been about a month now since the cleanup was completed, so we'll do one final video to show what it looks like now, and that will wrap up this project. Everything has healed. The grass came back, which is very surprising. Did not expect that. And all the bushes are regrowing again. A couple of them fell over, but like that one there, that one fell over, but for the most part they came back. And unfortunately there's a hole here now which creates some visibility to the area there in the back, where there exists a lot of stuff which I'd rather not see, but it'll fill in eventually. Give these a couple years. So it looks like that one tree right there is gone, but that's very thin, only a couple inches. I can take that one down, no problem. It kind of worked out because there was a dead thing hanging there, and that was one of the things that fell, which I had wanted to get rid of it. So there's a lot of work, but at the end of the day, it ends up looking better than it did. So it worked out. Everything looks fine over here now. So that's it. And nature heals itself pretty quickly, so when that stuff happens, it looks bad for a couple weeks, but then it looks like it never happened.